Hi, welcome to the Big Bird Run here in Roseville, Michigan. I'm Greg Scott, resident of Roseville, and I'm blocking the traffic at Gratiot and Mesley for the runners.
Here, the winner of the 4K this morning at the 35th Big Bird Run. What's your name?
My name is Timmy Martin.
Where are you from?
St. Clair Shores.
Tell us about your race.
Well, it was very windy, so the conditions were definitely difficult. I started out just like pacing with the leader. There was one guy who took it out pretty hard, so I tried to go out with him, and then around the 1.5 miles, I made my move, and that's what decided the race, pretty much.
1.5 miles. What kind of a corner did you have there?
Well, my pace was around my first mile came in around 5:05, and my overall pace was around 5:15, I think. So that's where my splits were today.
Well, congratulations. You had a great run. Fun seeing you cross the finish line. Am I done?
Yes, thank you.
We have here the runner-up this morning in the 4K. Looks like you two had quite a race. What's your name?
I'm Dylan Reiners.
Where are you from?
I'm from Franklin, Michigan, but I'm also living in East Lansing.
Oh, okay. So this is really kind of home territory for you.
Definitely home territory. Just came home for the weekend and felt like coming out for a race. Spin out the legs prior to the turkey trot.
Aha. So tell us about your race this morning.
Pretty much wanted to go out sub 5 the first mile, but with the wind and the other conditions out here, it kind of slowed me down a little, but tried persevering as best I could.
Well, it looks like you almost caught him.
Yeah, almost. It was pretty much in the last 500 meters that it was just a foot race, and he had me in those last minutes.
We have here the course record holder and the 4K this morning at the 35th annual Big Bird Run. And what's your name?
Shauna McNiff.
And Shauna, you're running in a Hanson's uniform, so tell us how you got here.
Well, I just graduated from University of Connecticut. Came out here, was lucky enough to get invited to join the team, and just have been having a lot of fun these past couple of months. Just joined and really love it so far.
Well, welcome to Michigan. I guess the weather isn't all that different from Connecticut, is it?
No, not at all. Used to it, so that's good.
So that's very cool. The 4K is an unusual distance, so what was your strategy this morning?
Honestly, I just coming off an injury, just wanted to have fun, just dust off some rust and just go out at a pace that was slightly comfortable and then see where I went from there. And it was fun, so it's good.
Well, you came in, third overall, I think?
Yes, yeah, there were 2 guys in front of me.
I know, but there are a lot of them behind you. Well, congratulations. It was fun watching you this morning. Have fun in Michigan.
Thanks.
Great. Thank you. Good. I had to hold on to it the whole time. It's unbelievable.